It's your boy D-Boy the Beast coming at you with another video. Man, I'm installing LED bar light. So I'm gonna give y'all that video today. There you go, right here. It's a light bar, 22 inch. And I already put the brackets on there. They slide edges. Yeah, here go the white harness right here. At the white harness right there, YouTube. I'm up under here where the cover it. See these fasteners right here? You push them up right there. Like 4 of them. So I'm gonna push them out right there, YouTube. Get this out the way so I can try to install that bar light. Alright, YouTube. That's where the fastener was right there, pushed off in there. Focus. Alright. I'm gonna put them on the 2 ends right here. Excuse the bugs and stuff, you know. Just got back from out of town. Y'all know how that highway is with them bugs. Y'all finna drill these. I'm finna drill them 2 out so they can fit my my bolt and my nut. So I'm finna drill them 2 out right there, YouTube. To get back at you. Alright, folks, got it drilled out. That one right there. And that one right there. Right here. See how I put that bolt up in there now? And put my nut up under there and tighten it up. My locking washer and my nut. Same for this side. Right there. So that's where I'm gonna put my brackets at. And they slide also. So if y'all wanna put them in the middle right here, you can do that. But get the light bar that slide, got the sliding brackets. There you go, drill the hole through my firewall right there for my switch. But you're gonna have to take that connector off. Focus. Right there. You go to connector right here. So it's easy to come loose. So yeah, there go. I drilled a little hole right there. Ran my switch wire through there. And I'm gonna run it to that side over there, the driver's side. Alright, YouTube. Got it all hooked up. I ran my switch down there. Now, you know, y'all know common sense about the wire and stuff. Then I got all them bugs off too. You don't want to keep them bugs on your car. There you go. I think it came out pretty good. Oh yeah. That's a 22 inch. I'm gonna put the part number down and where I got it from in the description, so y'all go check that out. Let me show y'all how that thing look. It's bright. I tell you. Right, that's how it look right here, YouTube, with the lights on. Yeah, that thing bright. Camera ain't gonna show it all, but it's bright. There you go. See how it shine look like that. Oh yeah. There you go. It's in there. And that's why I put the switch at right there. Drill my hole right there. Push it up in there. Down on, up off. I see the diff. I need to bring it down just a little bit. Let me turn my lights off. Y'all see. Alright, YouTube, that's all I got for y'all for today. Hope y'all like the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification. You know your boy finna drop some more videos on the truck. Hurricane, hurricane.